Hello everyone, let's go and see what happened to our trade. We are on profit. If I am not forgotten why I am using paper trading, I tell you another time. Trading is like gambling for me. I lost lots of money very easily and more than money time. Because of that, let's see what happened to our trading. On paper trading, we are going to use money in the more complex way and with more rules for me because I know who I am and I know what I'm capable of. I'm capable of losing 1,000 just in an hour. Okay, let's see what happened to our trade. We lost lots of money. Okay, it's great. Let's go and see. Okay, here, account history. We lost 3,000 in a blink of an eye. Let's just create our trade first and see what happened. I know what I do. I want a sell here and create a sell. Do the stop loss and take profit here. I'm going to change them to here. I want to make the stop loss to here and make the change profit to here. I think it's going to go down. Because of that, I make it here. Okay, we create our order and we buy and create our trade. Now let's see what happened. We buy here and sell, the price is going down, but it's go up and we lost tons of money on paper. Let's see how much did we lost. We lost 3,000. Now let's calculate if you're good or not in the money. I know we are minus, we are in the loss, but let's calculate it. 101 minus 200, 2,000 minus 2,000. Okay, and plus we are a little in loss, but there is nothing really casual about it. It's about winners and losses and what you do in the end. We done 7 trades up till now, but I think after 20 or 21 we can understand what we are doing with our money, and we are going to use 10 or a little more dollars to do the trade. We are not going to do something great. We are going to learn how to do that. Okay, this is it. Don't forget to, if you need anything, ask me in the question. I will answer within a day. But don't ask me about how to use some wallet and money. I don't give you some advices that maybe sometimes end in losing money for you. But I will help you in the structure that I can. Until the next, don't forget to like and subscribe.